Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, we are taking a detailed look at the Volatility Breakout System Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 5, also known as VBSEA. So we're just going to explore how the system is designed to work, its approach to risk management, and then analyze the historical backtest results to see how it performed during the testing period. As always, this review is intended for educational purposes only. Historical testing can provide useful insight into how an expert advisor has behaved under certain market conditions, but it should never be considered a guarantee of future performance. Now, let us start with the marketplace information. VBSEA is currently listed at 349 US dollars with rental options available for traders who want to test the software before committing to a full purchase. At the time of this review, the expert advisor is on version 1.0 and has 12 activations. Unlike many commercial expert advisors that make broad marketing claims, the developer begins by explaining exactly who this EA is and isn't designed for. They specifically state that this system is not intended for traders looking for guaranteed profit, perfect backtest, high frequency trading, or strategies based on martingale, greed trading, or averaging. All right. Instead, the EA is aimed at traders who value objective trading rules, realistic expectations, and disciplined risk management. According to the developer, the strategy focuses on volatility-based range breakouts. Now, the EA waits for the market to establish a trading range whose width is appropriate for current market volatility. Rather than entering immediately, it waits for price to break beyond that range with confirmation from the candle close and additional strength measured using the average true range, or ATR. Okay, now another aspect that stands out is the amount of filtering applied before a trade is taken. Okay, the breakout must align with the direction of a moving average on the trading time frame, and if enabled, it can also require confirmation from a higher time frame trend. On top of that, optional volume filters and volatility expansion filters can be used to improve trade selection. Position management is also quite comprehensive. The EA allows stop losses to be calculated using ATR or structural fractal levels, supports break-even functionality, includes a multi-stage trailing stop system, optional fixed take profit gap protections, schedules trade closures, and several additional safety features. Now, one thing I particularly like is that almost every distance used throughout the system is expressed as an ATR multiple rather than a fixed number of points. Okay, that means the EA automatically adapts to changing market volatility instead of relying on static price distances. Risk management is another area where the developer has included a considerable amount of flexibility. Traders can choose between fixed lot sizing, percentage risk based on the current account balance, or percentage risk based on a fixed capital amount. Now, before placing a trade, the EA also checks whether the calculated monetary risk remains within the predefined tolerance and verifies that sufficient free margin is available. The developer also makes it clear that the EA avoids several higher risk techniques. According to the marketplace page, it does not use martingale, averaging, loss recovery systems, arbitrage, or simultaneous opposite positions, and every trade is protected with a stop loss. The default configuration has been prepared for NASDAQ 100. All right, for NASDAQ 100 on the M15 time frame. Although the developer notes that traders should carefully validate any changes before using different markets or settings. Now, let us just look at the historical backtest, that I conducted. All right. The report shows that the EA completed 56 trades during the testing period, which covered, about 6 months and 3 weeks, because it was from the beginning of 2026 till till date, as at the time of recording. around 22nd July 2026, because today's date is 23rd as at the time of recording. Okay, so during that period, 56 trades were generated. Now, compared to some automated systems, this is a relatively modest number of trades, which is consistent with the developer's description that a strategy waits patiently for qualified breakout opportunities rather than trading continuously. The first statistic that stands out is the overall profitability. The report finished with a net loss of $519.45 resulting in a profit factor of 0.7. Now, since the profit factor is below 1, it indicates that the strategy generated more gross losses than gross profits. You can see that here. You can confirm it here. The gross losses was more than the gross profit. All right. And also, while this doesn't automatically mean that the strategy cannot perform better under different market conditions or alternative configurations, it does suggest that the supply setup struggled throughout a tested period. However, there is another statistic that is worth considering alongside the profitability, which is the maximum equity drawdown. Okay, we can see that the maximum equity drawdown was 6.78%. All right, compared to many expert advisors that pursue aggressive returns by accepting very large drawdowns, this represents a relatively controlled level of historical risk. In other words, although the strategy did not finish the test with an overall profit, it also avoided the severe account declines sometimes associated with more aggressive automated systems. Now, this creates an interesting balance. Historically, the expert advisor demonstrated relatively conservative risk characteristics, but those lower risk levels were not enough to produce positive overall returns during the supply test. So that does not necessarily invalidate the underlying trading concept. Breakout systems are often sensitive to changing market conditions. They may perform well during strong directional moves while struggling during prolonged ranging or choppy markets. Now, because of that, I'll be interested in seeing how this EA performed across additional historical periods and different market environments before forming a broader conclusion. Overall, Volatility Breakout System EA appears to be one of the more thoughtfully documented expert advices available on the marketplace. The developer provides detailed explanations of the trading logic, position management, and risk controls, while also setting realistic expectations about what the strategy is designed to achieve. Now, based on the tester report, however, the tested configuration produced a negative historical return despite maintaining relatively modest drawdown. As always, the most important step before considering any automated trading system is to carry out your own independent testing. Now, you can try different historical periods, compare results across brokers where appropriate, and spend time forward testing on a demo account before making any live trading decisions. All right, no expert advisor can guarantee future performance, and every trader should ensure that any strategy aligns with their own objectives and tolerance for risk. Okay, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.